Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show us how I made this delicious abacha. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. So this is the ingredient I'll be using to make the abacha. I have the abacha itself. This is it. Then I have akam, also known as potash. I have blended crayfish. I have oba, some call it obaka. I have the fish, that's ice fish. I'll be frying it. Then I have pomo. And then garden egg. I've cut it into smaller chunks. Then this is the grated pepper and onion. That's what I'll use to mix the fish, the fried fish. Then I have salt, ground pepper, seasoning cube, onion, calabash nutmeg, and then finally uziza. Then the last but not the least, of course, our palm oil. So we'll be needing palm oil for this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to soak the abacha. You can decide to use hot water or cold water. Note that if you use cold water, it's going to take long for it to get soft. But once you use hot water, you can easily sieve it out and allow the water to drain. So that's just it. Then I'm going to keep it aside. Then go ahead and use water to melt the akam, that's the potash. You just pour in some water, then just use a spoon to turn it. So after that, I'll just go ahead and fry the fish. Here I'm seasoning the fish. Season the fish with whatever you want to use. Me, I just basically use only salt. But you can decide to add seasoning cube or whatever you want to use to season your fish. So that after that, I went ahead to fry the fish. Fry the fish, make sure you fried it very well, and then frying the pepper sauce. This is just basically onion. I added the grated pepper and onion, then the seasoning cube. Just fry it, add your seasoning, and that's just basically it. Then take note that this pomo, I've already parboiled it. And when parboiling it, you can decide to add any seasoning of your choice to parboil it. So this I just added the pomo inside, turn it. I'm also going to add the fried fish that I fried earlier. Then just mix it together. Just mix it. Make sure that everything is incorporated into each other. Just basically mix it very well. But when mixing it, take note that you have to do it gently so that the fish does not break. Do it gently so that the fish will not break. So that's just basically that. So after that, I'm going to set this aside and then and start the preparation for the abacha itself. So on an empty pot or frying pan, just add your oil and heat it for like 5 seconds. 5 seconds is okay. Then you switch off the gas. Then you use your sieve to pour in the liquid like I'm doing. That's the potash and water I mixed earlier. Then you keep stirring it. As you can see, I will need to add more of that liquid because the one I added earlier will not be enough. So I'll just go ahead and add more liquid to it. That's more of the potash liquid to it. So after that, you just keep stirring it. Make sure you stir it properly till everything is well mixed. So as you can see, everything is well mixed. So the next thing is just for you to go ahead and start adding your ingredients. Abacha is very easy to make. Very, very easy to make. So this is me adding the oba. Just go ahead and add the other ingredients. This is the blended crayfish. And then this is the blended calabash nutmeg. And then salt, ground pepper, seasoning cube. And then you just keep stirring it. Just add your ingredient and keep stirring it. Make sure that you mix everything properly. Then you go ahead and add the garden egg. Remember I said I cut the garden egg into smaller chunks. So that just mix it, make sure that everything is well mixed. And then the next thing is for you to start adding your abacha. Make sure that after soaking your abacha, you have to, pour it over a sieve for it to drain. So take note. So I also added onion, just some sliced onion. And that's it. So you keep adding your abacha and keep, stirring it. It's advisable not to add all the abacha at once, except you be able to gauge the quantity of abacha that will be enough for your sauce. So that's it. So you can decide to be to be adding it gradually. So when you feel that it's okay, maybe you can test for salt and the rest of it. When you feel it's okay, then you are good to go and your abacha is ready. So that's just basically it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Like, come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.